This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel, diagonally opposite to the one being removed. Use the wire hook included in the vehicle toolkit to pull the wheel trim from place. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. With the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill to support the vehicle. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the road wheel. Position a trolley jack and block of wood beneath the coil spring position on the trailing arm. Then raise the arm so that the shock absorber is slightly compressed. Note on some models it may be necessary to remove the stone protection guard first. Slacken and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Compress the shock absorber a little and detach it from the trailing arm. Support the shock absorber, then unscrew the upper mounting bolts located in the rear wheel arch. Lower the shock absorber and withdraw it from under the wheel arch. Prise off the cap from the upper mounting, then counter-holding the shock absorber piston rod, slacken and remove the upper mounting nut. Slide the upper mounting, bump stop and tube from the piston rod. Locate the upper mounting, bump stop and tube over the shock absorber piston rod. Then fit a new nut and tighten it to the specified torque. Press the plastic cap onto the upper mounting. Maneuver the shock absorber into position. Then refit the upper mounting bolts. And tighten them to the specified torque. Compress the shock absorber slightly and locate it into the trailing arm. Insert the lower mounting bolt, then fit the new nut. Raise the trailing arm, then tighten the lower mounting bolt and nut to the specified torque. Remove the jack, locate the wheel over the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to the specified torque. Align the valve with the cutout, then press the wheel trim firmly into place. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.